Game is fun, easy, and very rewarding if you have the right tools. The LITE is a complete, lightweight, and very portable butchering set with all the tools you need in a hard side carry case. In the LITE, you get the 3 most practical knives for both the field and butchering. There's a 2.5-inch caping knife, a 4-inch gut hook skinner, and a 5-inch boning fillet knife. To keep that razor sharp edge, you get a 2-stage carbide and ceramic sharpener with a pivoting base that gives you greater stability to maintain the perfect angle. You also get a set of game cleaning gloves. The 420J2 stainless steel blades are precisely heat treated and hand finished shaving sharp for excellent edge retention. Each knife features full tang construction for greater strength, and the rubberized blaze orange handles with an elk horn inlay ensure a safe and comfortable non-slip grip. One of the best features of the LITE is that it weighs only 20 ounces. It's both compact and lightweight to fit in any day pack to take into the field, or you can process your game at home. If you're looking for a high-quality processing set that is lightweight, compact, and very affordable, the LITE is a great choice. Why not save the cost of commercial processing, guarantee the quality of the meat for your family, and get the job done fast and easy with the LITE by Outdoor.
This is the Gerber Moment cleaning kit. Includes 2 knives. The first is the Moment fixed blade. It's got a gut hook on the back, a full fine edge, rubberized grip, and a lanyard hole. This is great for carving the animal down in half or into quarters. The second knife in the sheath, the Moment, small fixed blade. Fine edge, ridges, and a lanyard hole on the back. The small fixed blade can be used for finer details. They both fit securely in a paddle style sheath. This is the Moment cleaning kit.
I'm a 3rd generation master butcher on both sides of my family, and oddly enough, both of my grandmothers were in the trade of butchery, so it's just something that's in my blood. Victorinox has been in my family for years. It's the tools that we've always used, and I just can't see using any other knife. I need a tool that's hardworking, honest, and a lot of integrity, because if I don't trust that knife, meat cutting is a dangerous job. I like a knife that just really kind of melts in your hand and is just an extension of you. It's just always been what I've used, and again, I can't use anything else. I'm Carrie Underley, author, master butcher, and the principal of Range Inc., and I choose Victorinox.
The newest addition to the Outdoor Edge family is the WildPak. It's also an 8-piece game processing kit that comes in a hard side pack. This kit includes 3 420J2 stainless steel blades. The non-slip rubberized blaze orange handles make them easy to locate while processing your animal, and the elk antler inlay makes for a solid grip. This processing kit includes a caping knife, gut hook skinner, boning knife, wood bone saw, carbide knife sharpener, rib cage spreader, and game cleaning gloves. If you're currently processing your own wild game, or you just like to get started, I highly recommend each one of these kits by Outdoor Edge. They have all the tools necessary to get the job done. They have a razor sharp blade, and they'll hold an edge and make the job of processing your game fast and easy.
Unzip any large game animal in seconds with the industry's largest resharpenable integrated gut hook that won't clog with hair. Never again accidentally cut the gut, bladder, or yourself. The FieldTorq knife holds an extremely sharp edge, even when cutting through bone. Get your FieldTorq knife today and enjoy a lifetime of acceptance.
These knives. Just like that. Well, that is just that is. There it is. And there it is.
Well, you just reach up inside and cut the esophagus. Yep. So yeah, that's it right there. We're done.
There you are.
I'm going to show you today how to sharpen this. It's very quick and easy. Drop it on the longer blade, pull it.
From the Elk Ridge line of Master Cutlery, this is ER300CA. And you're getting 2 knives in one here, so it's a very nice value. Comes in a double sheath that holds a heavy nylon construction, belt loop there. All right, handy little knife. Fixed blade, and another fixed blade. All right, now the wider knife is a skinning knife. That's why it has an extreme curvature to the belly, great for slicing through, and it also has a gut hook. Now it has a skeletonized handle, right, and a retaining ring here, right, so you can get a firm grip even if if there might be some blood from your animal there. You can still get a firm grip. Very nice. The second blade this comes with is a trailing point design. Now this is based on the classic American design, usually called a sharp finger design, and it is full tank construction. Very nice camo handle scales to blend in, right, and partial hollow grind. And that tip allows a lot of precision, so this would be very useful in processing game as well, and just a general camp utility blade. And you see that, yes, precision. It's like a scalpel, you know. It'd be great as what's called a caper knife, which is for skinning, right, and more fine tasks while skinning. Yeah, that is an excellent knife, and it's just great that you get two blades in one. This would be an excellent set for the hunter out there from Elk Ridge.
Now that I'm getting ready to field dress our deer, which is not always the most pleasant chore in the world, I'm going to feature one of our awesome sponsors, and that is Buck Knives. Buck Knives carries a wide variety of knives, as you know. They're a legendary, they're a quality brand, but what I brought here for this chore is the PakLite series, and this is the black PakLite series, which has this nice coating on it that keeps it from rusting or any kind of other issues of the weather and the elements, and keeps the blade sharp. It's fantastic. I have a nice gutting tool here, which is fantastic for just kind of zippering down and doing that chore, which is always a lot quicker when you have a gutting tool either on a knife or on the on its own like this. Very, very light. Again, all of these weigh about the same as a regular size knife does, which is why they're called the PakLite series. You also have a regular size knife right here for doing kind of the standard dirty jobs of deer skinning and field dressing. And you also have a really, really nice skinning knife. This is kind of for fun of some of the finer points, like caping even. This is a great caping knife. It almost looks like a scalpel. This is great. Absolutely love this. These are very light. They're very durable. They keep their edge very well, and they're a fantastic tool to have on just about any hunt when you're going to be doing field dressing of any kind of big game or even small game animal. Fantastic. They're great. They mount very easily on your belt or put in your hunting pack. I just put these in my hunting pack, open these up, keep them clean, ready to go. And the nice thing is you even have a little drip area down here. If you get these wet, that'll drain out so it doesn't dull the knife, which is very important. But these are weather resistant and just can stand up to just any big game job you have out there. Fantastic tool to use in the field. Buck Knives PakLite series.